Kia Sportage. The 2026 Kia Sportage leaves behind the details of the previous generation's designs and provides a more harmonious and aesthetic appearance. With its renewed exterior design and interior, it offers spacious space, rich equipment, and solid value. The old boomerang bright lights are replaced by a more traditional and elegant one. Black 17-inch wheels, durable off-road tires, and aggressive LED headlights emphasize the sporty character of the vehicle. Interior and comfort. A wide and clean instrument panel and dual 12.3-inch panoramic screen are offered, instead of the old vertical air vents. It is solved with a new-edge steering wheel, rotary gear knob, and push-button start button. Extra flexibility is provided on long journeys with a wide wing width for adults, 40 cubic feet of cargo space, and a dual-level cargo floor. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, fingerprint unlocking, head-up display, and advanced climate controls, modern driving experience are available. The premium package increases its price with additional equipment such as panoramic roof, LED interior lighting, and electric tailgate. Engine options. Base version. 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 187 horsepower. Turbo version. 2.5-liter turbo engine delivers 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque for lively acceleration and a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is available on endurance trim levels, except SX. The non-hybrid model achieved a 60-mile-per-hour time of 9.1 on the test track. The hybrid version achieved a 7.4-mile-per-hour time. The 2026 Kia Sportage is priced between $30,000 and $41,000, depending on trim and features.